Hey friends, it's been a long time. I hope you're all well. It's Dawn. I changed my channel name from Lazy Daisy's Journals to Aurora's. Aurora means dawn, and it's shorter. So that's the story on that one. So I'm here to show you my newest journal. It's like a fairy, woodland, woody creatures theme, nature, and I have a couple extras. I couldn't decide on the cover for the journal because like this one, I love the image, but it takes up most of the cover, right? But it's really pretty. So then I just took this image here and I was like, well, what if we just do this? So because I can't make up my mind, they're both coming with the journal, as well as this tassel. So super cute. So there's fabrics, trim, beads, charms, and stuff like that. And there's the top. And also a bag, just a regular drawstring bag that it fits in. And then we'll get to the journal. So we have the tie here, which is just some strips of fabric tied together to make it a long tie. See, that's what it looks like there. So the journal itself is velvet covered, no, cardstock covered fabric, which is velvet, and front and back. And then here's the top. This is one of the fattest journals I think I've ever done, with like the most pages maybe, but I'd have to go back and check. But the size is 9.5 inches by 6.5 inches, and there are 132 pages front and back. And there are both authentic ephemera and digitals and things like that. So it's new and old. So we just have some journaling cards here. I did some sewing and, you know, things on the back, collaging of the cards. This is from an Art Nouveau book. And I just liked the little fairies in the letters. So that kind of went with it, but I didn't know what to do with it, so I'll put it there. Then we have, these are from a vintage ideals book, and they're like little sayings and little poems. And I also did clusters. So here's the first one. I used a lot of different kits from a lot of different shops, so it'd be too hard for me to tell you which ones, unfortunately. And these are from books, obviously. Okay, and scrapbook paper, cardstock, coffee dye paper, stamping, what do you call it? Stenciling, things like that. This is, I love this. I love this paper. It's from a really old book about trees, but I love the paper. And here is a postcard. Like it's tucked up there, and a little doily. And also some more book pages. And we have a card inside the little envelope. There are plenty of places to journal or decorate. I tried to create journaling areas where there were none, or put journaling cards in so that there would be enough, because it is pretty embellished. So, but there's still plenty of room. And there's some like that gold wax stuff. It's messy, I tell you, it's messy. How cute. How cute is that? Look, 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 look. That's cute. Not to mention I'm a goofball. Okay. And then I just put some of the Tim Holtz little sayings down at the bottom, or words, phrases. This is a vintage playing card. I think it's, I don't know what game it is, actually. This comes, hold on, I don't want to rip it. So this comes up, but because my Band-Aid wants to be ridiculous, there we go. It opens and then tucks back in. Move this over again. Sorry, got sidetracked. I've had this for years and I've saved it, and I was like, why not use it? Because it's like the unicorn. And there's just some more of that. Discover is the word on there. And there's a little pocket here. So there's a collage on the front, and then you can write in the middle, inside, and then tuck it in there. And then behind it, there's another saying or poem, and just some shimmery tag. This was one of the full pages, and I just turned it into like a little booklet for writing. This is from one of the vintage books, and I just turned it into a journaling card. It's one of the images. I love this. I really like the way that turned out. And this is just little journaling area. How cute. Look at this. These are really pretty from this kit. This kit, I believe, is from Leanna Scraps. This type of kit. You'll see it throughout. Okay, so made that. And then there are these little goodies in here. They're journaling cards. Backs are blank. And then that. And then back here is this cute hedgehog. Hello, cute hedgehog. And then inside, oh, I did the inside. Okay. There's another one in the book pages. And that is also, this is one of the, what do they call them? Like the title page, I don't know, in a book. And this was just stamped, so this is Eco Dye paper. I'm just going to say Echo. It could be Echo, I don't know. Cute. Sorry about the lighting. There's more Eco Dye paper. It's a digital though, sorry. And just random collages, places. This is a pretty one too. And here's another one of the fabric and paper and charm collages. I like these because you can, it's like a creative way to write on it. And I have so many of those. I gotta stop hoarding them. You know it. Gotta stop. I'm not gonna turn over all the backs anymore. Unless they have something on the back, because they should all be journaling cards, so yeah. But this one like opens up, obviously. I show you that. Oh, and this one is embellished on the back. Okay. So there's like a pocket on top of this fabric flip. Pretty. Here's another one of the clusters with a charm. Does anyone remember these cigarettes? This is a brand new label. Obviously, it's vintage. And I remember those from when I was a kid, not me smoking them, but like the advertisements when they used to advertise cigarettes, which was crazy. And it's, I like the colors and the flowers and everything, so it kind of fit in there. Plus you can write on the back. A little stamping for a little prompt. I'm flipping them over like I said I wasn't. It doesn't matter. Jeez. Come on, Dawn. For real. For real, girl. Get it together. I swear to God. I like the mix of kits. I like to mix the kits, I should say, not mix the kits. I think it turns out cool like that. Like when I mix kits up, I like it. Okay, so this is just made from a scrapbook paper, and I just kind of embellished it and made a tuck spot on there. Another scorecard. This is another postcard, and it has a wolf on there, so that reminds me of the woods and the forest, I guess, or the woods, wherever they live. Where do they live? Oh, sorry. A little more stamping there. Okay, so this folds down to right. And then this is a vintage, like, you just have to fold it up and put a stamp there, and you can mail it out the way it is. Here's the inside. I think they're so pretty. I forget where I got those. I think at a antique store where they sold like even like not quite antique things too. Come on. Okay. I left the little pencil mark on there. It's so cute. I don't know who did it, but it's adorable. Here's a old receipt, blank receipt thing. This was a full page too, so I just turned it into a booklet to write in. Oh, didn't go all the way in. That's okay, I'll fix it. Vintage playing cards, cute. It's got the flower on it. And this is from a 6x6 paper pad that I forgot I had, so I just has little fairies on the bottom there. This is 1951. That strip right there, it was cut off, and I was like, hey, why not use it? And I think this is the last cluster. Yes. And another large journaling card. If you stuck with me this long, you are fantastic. And I love you. Thanks, guys.